Lesson 3. Conditional probability in Venn diagrams. You can find conditional probabilities from a Venn diagram by considering the section of the Venn diagram corresponding to that restricted sample space. Let's do one example. The events A and B are such that the probability of A is equal to 0.55 and the probability of B is 0.4 and the probability of A and B is 0.15. Part A. Represent this on a Venn diagram with events A and B. And then part B. Find I, probability of A given B, probability of B given A or B, and then the probability of not A given not B. For part A, we know the part where A and B overlap will be 0.15. As the total probability of A is 0.55, that means this must be 0.55 minus 0.15, which is 0.4. And likewise for B, because the total is 0.4, that means this must be 0.25. The total of A or B is 0.8, so the part outside A and B will be 1 minus 0.8, which is 0.2. For part B, we're finding the probability of A given B. Because we have B already occurs, we need to restrict our sample space that we're only looking at B. So we're going to be dividing by B, which is 0.15, plus 0.25. Now the part we want is A also happening, and this happens when they overlap, which is a 0.15. And then this will give us 3/8. For part II, we want B given A or B. Now because we're given A or B, we restrict our sample space to everywhere where A or B happens. So that will be over 0.4 plus 0.15 plus 0.25. And we want the part where B happens, which is both of these. So we'll do 0.15 plus 0.25. And this will give us exactly half. Part III, the probability of not A happening given not B. We need to restrict ourselves to everywhere outside of B. So it will be 0.4 plus 0.2 in the denominator. And we want everywhere where not A happened. And so if we go to not B, if it's not A either, that means it must just be the 0.2 outside. And this will give you 1/3. And that's about it.